In this video, we're going to add in-screen videos to our in-screen template that we created in the last video. Having the right videos in the right place will help you to get more subscribers and lots more views. Now, people do this in several different ways, and I'm going to show you what I believe is the best way, and I'll give you the pros and cons of why you want to add maybe 1 video, 2 video versus 4 videos, and a whole bunch of other stuff that you can add. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so you won't have to go anywhere else as I show you each step along the way, making it very easy for you to follow so that you can add in-screens on your videos. With that said, let's dive in. We'll get on my computer and I'll show you how to do it in my YouTube account. Welcome back to my temporary off-grid studio where we're building a brand new YouTube channel, and you get to watch as we do this together so you can learn how to create a successful YouTube channel. Today we're talking about actually putting in the in-screen videos on the in-screen template that we created in the last video. Having the right in-screen videos in the right place will help you to be able to increase your subscribers and increase your views. So let's go inside and take a look at how easy it is to do that. When you first upload a video, you can click on Create and you can upload that video. In the sequence of uploading that video, you'll eventually get to where you can do the end screens. Or you can just go over here to the left-hand side on the Content tab. On the Content tab, there's all of your videos, and there are times when you may want to change your end screen, or if you haven't added end screens, you can add end screens here. So you can go to any one of these videos, and you just come to this video. We'll click on that pencil icon. Once there, you let that page load, and if we scroll down, right here we see end screens. If we click on the pencil icon again, well, now we have these templates here, and these templates are not the same as the video end screen template we created. These are just templates saying, okay, you can have a video, subscriber. So the circles are where they can subscribe, rectangles are where a video goes. And you have these different templates. Now, if you don't see something you like, no big deal, because you can edit them and create it any way you like. So I'm just going to click on this one. We have 2 elements in here. Now, on the in-screen template we created, we have our subscriber element sitting over on the bottom corner, and we have our video element sitting over here. On our video template, we have 2 videos. So let me grab another video. I'll click on Element and say Video, and then I'll drag that over here. So as you can see, we now have 2 videos on the right-hand side, and we have our subscriber button on the left, and that will match the template we created. Now, it's important to note that you can add quite a few more videos. So if I were to click right here and say, well, I also want to add a playlist, and you can click on the playlist. Now you've got this playlist over here. And you can come over here and say, well, I want to add another one. Well, you can only have 4 elements on here, okay? And whenever you do have elements, then if you have a problem, it's going to show you with this red here, and you won't be able to save it, which means you'll have to correct the problem. Now, in my opinion, you should really only have 1 or 2 videos at most. You shouldn't crowd your template. As we discussed when we created that template, you want it to be professional looking, and you want it to be as simple as possible. You don't want to have a whole bunch of animations and video backgrounds. All of those things are distraction. There's 2 reasons for your in-screen videos. 1, you want to get more subscribers, but more importantly is to get more views. The more views you get, the more you'll get paid once you are qualified to monetize your channel. We have this element we can easily delete by clicking on it, going to the trash can icon and clicking. Now, this one says most recent upload. In my opinion, you should always have your most recent upload element on here. I'm going to move it over because I want this one to be at the top, and I think the most recent video element should always be at the bottom right hand corner. we're used to looking up and to the right. So I want the video that I suggest them to watch next to be there. So I have that video here. Right now it says best for viewer. And a lot of times I see people and YouTubers who just get lazy. And by being lazy, well, this is what they do. And you don't get nearly as many views that way. On this particular video, it's all about making an outro for your YouTube video. And so if someone's watching that, well, obviously they might need an intro. I would want to suggest or recommend they watch the intro. So I'm going to click on that, and right here it says best for viewer. I'll just put a dot in this radio that says choose a specific video, and then I can locate the video I want to recommend, which would be that one, and there it is. So now when they're watching the end screen, they can see the intro, and that increases my odds or my chances because YouTube wants people to stay on their platform, and it's better for you that they stay and watch more of your videos. This will help you to get people watching more and more of your content, which then tells the algorithm, hey, we need to recommend this guy's stuff because people are staying there and watching more and more videos. We want to recommend this one. We have our most recent going here, and the reason we want our most recent on every one is that anytime you upload a new video, you want to get as many views as possible, as soon as possible. The more views you get to your most recent video, the more the algorithm will say, hey, people must like this video and will recommend it to other people. So you want to have your most recent video always down here. That way people, when they're watching any of your videos, then no matter whether it's an old video or your latest video, it's going to recommend that they watch your most recent upload. And then over here is your subscriber icon so that they can subscribe. Once you have that done, then all you got to do is hit save. Before we leave this section, it's important to note that once you've selected the videos that you want in those particular places, you can test it to see what it's going to look like. Come right over to the bottom here, and you can take this scrubber, move it back just a little bit. You can come over here and press the play button so you can watch it there. And as you can see, that really looks great. You see our template is professional looking, but it's not cluttered with a whole bunch of different icons that say follow me here, follow me there, subscribe to this, do that. Very professional, and it conveys the message that I want you to watch some more and you could subscribe. That's what you want. One other thing you want to look at is when you do put your end screens, YouTube's default time is 20 seconds. Now, you can adjust these if you want, and you can say, well, I only want it 10 seconds. However, I don't know why you'd want to do that. If your viewer is watching all the way to the end, give them the opportunity to watch the whole 20 seconds. This way they can take their time, look at the video and say, oh yeah, I want to watch that one, read the other video, oh, I want to watch it, or click the subscribe button. If you narrow it down to 10 seconds or 5 seconds, you may miss the opportunity for them to easily hit the subscribe button. As you can see, it's really easy to add those end screen videos. And when you have the right combination of having a professional end screen template with the correct end screen videos, it can make a huge difference in the growth of your YouTube channel. You'll get more subscribers and you'll get a lot more views. I've had a great time showing you how to put in these end screens for YouTube videos. Make sure to comment, let me know, what did you learn about end screen videos, and what else would you like to learn as we build this YouTube channel together? Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you'll get alerts letting you know when the next video goes live. This way, we can continue our journey as we learn how to make money online together.